Alright, check out these beautiful biscuits. I'm going to show you how I made these biscuits, cream biscuits. Very delicious, a very easy recipe to follow along. Just follow along with my video and I will show you exactly what I did. And they were very beautiful. We're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. A teaspoon of baking powder. You want a teaspoon of salt. You want 2 teaspoons of melted butter. You want 1 cup and 1/2 of a cup of cream, heavy cream. Oh, but I love the taste of cream. I do. But anyway, this mix this together real good. I love that taste of cream. I can drink it right straight out of it, but I won't. Make sure your area is real floury and everything. And then we're gonna dip this right out onto the opening. We're gonna form a dough. We'll come back in a few minutes. You want to take a biscuit cutter. You want to press it in tight as you can. You form. I want to put these in the oven, but before I do, one last thing. So I know some of them are bigger than the others. I'll start with the big one, the fluffier ones. They got smaller because I started running out of dough, so I had to improvise with smaller pieces because I didn't want to waste any, because any of them just as good as the next. Maybe not as fluffier, maybe not as look good, but it'll work, and it'll biscuit. So if it'll biscuit, it'll work. Okay, set the timer for about 12 minutes. We're gonna come back after 12 minutes and take a look at them. Now they're all done. We're gonna give us a good brush over. Check out these beautiful biscuits. Very beautiful. Easy to make. Easy done. We'll come back in a few little minutes. We're going to do a taste test on these biscuits right here. We're going to start with this little small one right here. I like the way it looked. Oh my god, that is so good. So delicious. That's very good. Anyway, you gotta try these biscuits. If you like my channel, subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell at the top and leave me a comment. I read all my comments. I try to, and I do reply most of the time.